Hi, Riley.
What's up?
What are you going to do?
I'm going to use my monster truck that's unbreakable. It's called the Tractor's Rustler.
So what's the speed?
70 miles per hour.
Okay, can you try and show to us?
I already used half of the battery, so it might not go as fast.
Just try then how it looks like. Whoa.
You got that? You got that? You got that?
Chasey, chase the car! Chase the car! You're too slow to the car. Can you do it again? Then Chase will run it. You're too slow in the car.
One headspin. One.
I cannot see it. It's too small now. One more.
Now do off-roading. Now.
Yep.
Now say, this is how you do off-roading.
Okay, he's going to off-road now. Is it? What? Up, you're going to the highway. That's still a road. Okay. What? Are you sure you're going back? You're going down here? Are you sure? Tried. Tried.
If I get enough launch, that I might hit the field. I might break the car, so. Now I need to go so badly.
What's happening?